Hey, folks, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley Million Dollar Virgin. Hey, wait 1 second here. What I want to talk about is I want to show you the fastest way and what techniques to use with your social media to make money online quickly, okay? So I want you to really pay close attention. And I have something cool for you. If you don't know who I am, my name is Wesley Million Dollar Virgin. Let's go! And yes, I know my teeth are white and big, but it's okay. Many years I struggled to make money. And it took me 10 years, 7 years to make my first sale. But check this out. Come here, Ariel. I want to introduce you guys to somebody that I've trained, that I've coached. And check this out. You know what's crazy about this? She has made over $600,000 in 4 months. Okay?
4 months.
And I'm getting ready to basically give you one of the breakthrough moments I gave her, I think a year and a half ago.
Yeah.
A year and a half ago. And now she's wearing all this fancy stuff. She's rich, and it's okay. But now, let me show you in this live video. So this is what I want you to do, okay? I want you to take out a sheet of paper. I want you to record this video. Maybe this is an ad, right, on Facebook or Instagram, whatever. But I want you to really to tune in and pay attention. Write this down. The fastest way or the easiest way to be able to promote any product online is videos. Like what you're watching right here. Like this is a video. You're watching me. You're watching her. And videos like this make a ton of money, okay? And you might say, well, Wesley, I don't want to be on camera. Let me ask you a question. If you can be rich just by recording a video, helping people, would you do it? If you can make $10,000 per month. I hear you right now. Amen, right? Of course. So that's what you do here. And as a matter of fact, you may be thinking right now, well, Wesley, if I create a video ad on Facebook, because this is what you're going to do with your social media, how do I know which product to promote? It took me 7 years to figure this out. So picture this. I was broke, sleeping on air mattresses. I had to sell my car. I got kicked out of my place because I was spending so much money trying to understand how this worked. Check it out. And I taught her the same thing, It's crazy. I taught, like, when I'm teaching you, it's what I gave her, okay? Yeah. She's from New York. She's not technical. She don't know what a lander, website. She don't really understand the computer industry, right? But she's still, I think this month you're going to close. How much money?
I think we're at $145,000.
Yeah, $145,000 she's making. She's not even 30 yet. So she's living her best life. So I said, you know what, Ariel, let me just tell the people. Let me tell you what we're doing here. So, 1, make sure you use video ads when you promote Facebook. 2, the platform that I use personally is clickbank.com. Somebody write that below in the comment section, okay? And please don't, I know you're eager to click that learn more button, but I'm going to give you some insight about this. So don't click it right now. Listen, clickbank.com. And after you go to clickbank.com, you want to do a simple search in the marketplace, okay? And all you do is look at all the products that have a gravity that's above 50. Now, if you're smart, you will search for a program by the name of Overnight Millionaire. And let me tell you why. Yes, it's my product. I'm being partial, but we're number 9 out of 5,000 products.
5,000.
5,000.
Wow.
And I'm grateful to God that we're earning like $30,000, $40,000 per day, which is a typical day for us. And I don't say that to impress you, but I want to impress upon you. If you reach out to me, if you click the learn more button, if you choose to learn more, we will teach you how we're doing this, okay? This is free stuff. Like, this video is free. I gave you 2 tips. 1, only use video ads. Images are cool, but video ads are the best. And now say if you say, well, Wesley, I'm not good on camera. What do I do then? Guess what? I would give you my video that I use right now that's been seen maybe 10 million times and have generated over $2 million. I give it to you for free in the Learn More training here. And I know you're thinking, wow, that's crazy. No internet marketer is going to give you the exact advertisement that they're using on Facebook, on Instagram to make money, okay? And let me give you one more before we get into the training, get a little bit more in depth here, is that make sure that you're speaking with a vendor or offer that you're trying to promote. Make sure that it's somebody that's genuine, somebody that's legit, because there's a lot of scammers out there. There's a lot of people that's just trying to be parasiticals. They're not trying to help people, okay? What's important is, like, we're in Vegas right now, and I think we've helped about 5,000 people so far.
Yeah.
In our programs, and about 85% of those people are making $5,000 to $10,000 per month. And maybe that's you, but we're in Vegas. We got honored here. We went to a private mastermind, and we got a couple of awards here. And we're grateful to God about that. But what's important is we want to help you. So what I'm going to do is this. If you're looking at the Learn More button, you don't have to click it. But if you was just like me 10 years ago, failing, struggling, right? Unfortunately, I didn't have a mentor. Fortunate enough, this young lady, she sent me a message on Instagram
Thank
years
God.
ago, over and over every single day. And she said, Wesley, teach me. Wesley, I would sell for you. Wesley, I would do whatever it takes to be able to be a part of the internet marketing industry. And let me tell you something. There's a lot of people out there, they're not trying to help you. You can email people all day. Because I did. I used to email 100 people every day. Nobody responded, right? Because no one really cared about the little guy. But me, I care about you. You may be that new person. You can be in your 40s, 50s. You don't know anything about the internet. You're not technical. You don't know what a website is. As a matter of fact, let me give you one more tip. Never spend $5,000, $10,000 on a website. You can go to Fiverr.com and you can get an entire website built for under $50. See, no one's going to tell you that. But these are the behind the scene tricks that we talk about in the free training that she's going to give, not me. Because you know what she told me when she got that first check, when I sent her like $30,000, $40,000. Remember that?
Yeah.
When I wired her $40,000.
I was screaming.
She was screaming.
In my house. Screaming at 3 a.m.
Yeah. So it was like, she said, Wes, do you think I can teach people? Because you've been doing this for 10 years. Me, it's been less than a year, and I'm almost generating like $1 million. So how about she do it, teach you as a newbie, because she's still a newbie. She's still learning, but she just needed a tweak. Let me tell you something. You think that you need to learn so much information. It's not. You could be doing everything right. A small tweak in the right direction can change your entire life. It did for me and it did for her. And we can do this for you. So you don't have to learn more, but if you choose right now to learn more, we'll love to speak with you. It'll be her, this beautiful lady here. She'll be training you. Pay attention to her. Pay attention. If you follow, she helped thousands of people right now to make money online in the easiest, most simplest way possible here. So we love you. Hey, if you got any value, even if you don't click Learn More and join her training, I don't see why you shouldn't. I mean, but if you don't, just hit the like and share button, go back to Instagram, go back to Facebook. But if you're that person and you're tired of the 9-to-5 job, you're tired of the rat race, you're tired of getting up every day, fighting the traffic, you're tired of just taking the cruises, trying to go to Mexico, that's your example of a vacation. But if you want to explore the world, fly first class, buy nice jewelry, be able to help your mother. One thing that Ariella did that
buy a nice bag.
Yeah, she brought tears to my eyes. She actually helped her father. He's running a business, and her father was trying to get things working, and she blessed him with an oven for his restaurant. That oven was maybe like $2,000-$3,000, right? And that's what the internet business allowed her to do. Without that, he will be struggling, right? So it's just not for us to buy nice fancy watches and Cartier bracelets.
Exactly.
It's about making a contribution to other people's lives. Now I take care of my family. My parents don't work. Her parents don't work. Her mom is happy. I think you sent your mom to Italy, right?
Yes.
Y'all traveling around. It's a blessing, but remember, you must understand that you must learn more. I had to do it, right? I saw an advertisement one day. I learned more. I jumped into the training. I'm not going to say the training is for you, but if it is, don't miss out on an opportunity that someone genuinely wants to help you. And it's not me because I'm too loud. Let's go! But it's my girl here. Hey, I love you. I appreciate you. Hey, thank you. Watch this video again to get the free tips again. If you want to jump into that training with her, she's going to show you step by step how to make your first $1,000 in the next 24 hours. It's insane.
Crazy.
I gave her the tips here, and much love. Let's go.
Jump in. Let's go.
Yeah.